Hello everyone. Today we will be covering 555 timer to make police light. First of all, we will take breadboard and battery. We will rotate the battery. We will connect positive end and negative end of the battery to the breadboard. We will change the color. Now we will connect top and bottom rail of the breadboard. Now we will take 555 timer and place it over here. Now we will connect power to the power and ground to the ground of timer to the breadboard. Now we will take two LEDs. One red and second one blue. And connect it. Now we'll connect the output of the 555 timer to the LEDs. We will take resistor of 500 ohm. Same we will have for blue one. And now we will connect the wires. Now we will take capacitor and place it over here. Now we will connect trigger to the threshold. And this wire to the capacitor and one to the output. Okay, now we will take resistor again. And place it over here. Now we will connect output of the timer to the resistor. And second one to the capacitor output. Change the color. And the circuit is ready. Sorry, we forgot to change the value of resistor. We will make it 10 kilo ohm. And now we will start the stimulation. Thanks for watching. Be connected to Mirai Learnings.